Hi! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new default apps. I have my simple SMS messenger over here and also Opera mini browser. When your apps are ready, click on Home button and tap on Settings. In Settings, you need to click on Apps section over here. Scroll down just a bit and click on Default Apps. Now tap on one of those sections. For example, I want to change my Messages app, so I will go with SMS app over here. Click on SMS Messenger and tap on the Back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!